Previously mentioned that text editors are basic tools used for writing your web pages, and to install a few I'll be using I have most of these text editors installed, but I'll be just putting you through installing a few of them. So for the VS Studio Code, just like we said, we'll go to our browser and we type in VS Studio Code, or we can use V, or we can call it VS Code for short. Then it brings us to this. No, we want it to install from code.video studio, which is the original installation file. So here we see the different format in which you can come. We have the Windows, we have for Linux, we have for Mac OS. So you select your operating system. For those that are using Windows, we have it supports Windows 8, 10 and 11. You check if you're using a 64-bit or a 32-bit. If you want it to install from the user installer, or if you want it from the system installer, or you want to download a zip file, you can choose whatever version you want to download. Or basically just click on this icon here, just click on this Windows here, and it downloads the best one for your system. So I'm going to click on this for Mac OS since I'm using that, and it's bringing me to the installation file, and it starts the installation, and I'll just come back right when it's done installing. Visual Studio Code is editor is installed. It's bringing to the getting started page. This is the first page you see, where you can have a lot of things. You have a new file, we have open, you have clone Git repository. We'll be coming to that later on in the course. We have a recent, or that's because I already have it installed, but for you, we'll be taking you out to navigate the other things on the next class.